In this video, I'm going to show you how to see if someone took a screenshot of your Instagram page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile. Then tap at these three lines. And then you need to scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools. That's where we need to tap at Switch to Professional Account. Hit Continue all the time. Here you can configure what best describes your page. There we can select our account type. I'm gonna keep personal blog selected because none of these options are really matter for us. I'm just gonna hit a done here. Then we can also choose creator or business. It doesn't really matter at all. Then hit next. And once you've switched your account to a professional account, it will show you that professional dashboard just under your Instagram bio. We need to get into it. And that's where you will find the option to see if someone took a screenshot of your Instagram account. Currently, I don't have this option yet because it is not available in my region. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.